Good morning. We are Andres, Misael, Isaac, Noemi, and Karen, and we're going to present our solution to one of the Vista solutions challenges. The challenge we chose is one of the rail tracks, and we're going to mention the hardware we'll use in order to identify which stones are too high.
The purpose is to use two sensors to detect large objects that could obstruct the roads. First, the ultrasonic sensor, which placed at a certain height of the road, will detect the objects in advance and process the information to know how far away the object is. Then, using the LiDAR sensor, we make a mapping of the surface, and if we find that the object exceeds the dimension, the robot removes it from the rails.
In the LiDAR sensor, LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging, and is a technology to create high-resolution models of ground elevation with a vertical accuracy of 10 centimeters or 4 inches. The sensor includes a laser scanner, a global positioning system or GPS, and an inertial navigation system or INS. It sends over 150,000 pulses per second. It is 3D imaging compatible, suitable for complex objects, and for long-range sensing. The only problem is that it has a high cost.
The second sensor that we're going to be using is the ultrasonic sensor. This one works by sending a sound wave in front of it, and then that sound wave impacts with the object that is in front and then returns to the sensor. The time that it takes for the sound wave to return to the sensor is the way the sensor takes the measurements of how far is the object and how high it can be. The main advantages of the sensor is that it has low cost, it has fast serial communication, and it has a long range.
So in conclusion, as we can see, each sensor has its own advantages and disadvantages. It all comes down to what we want in the project in terms of cost, if we want a 3D imaging, if we want a high model, or what are the specifications we want for our project. And we can either choose one or we can combine them both to have a more precise project. And that will be all. Thank you.